In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a real account on MetaTrader 5 using the desktop app. First, make sure you already have MetaTrader 5 installed on your computer and that it's open on your screen. Also have your broker details and login information ready because you'll need them in a moment. Let's start from the main MetaTrader 5 window. At the very top left corner, you'll see the main menu bar. Move your mouse to the word File and click on it. This is where you'll find most of the basic options related to accounts, charts, and platform management. When you open this menu, MetaTrader will show you a list of actions you can take. From that list, look for the option that says Open an Account and click on it. This tells MetaTrader you want to add a new trading account to the platform. When you click it, a new window will pop up, usually showing you a list of trading servers or brokers that are already available in your platform. In this window, you should see an option that clearly indicates opening a real account, often labeled something like Open Real Account or Real, next to the server name. Make sure you select the real account option, not a demo account, because a demo will only use virtual funds. Once you've found the correct real server or real account option, click on it to continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your login credentials. These come from your broker, not from MetaTrader itself. Carefully type in your account number or login ID, your trading password, and make sure you select the correct server if you see more than one. It's important to type everything exactly as provided, because even a small mistake can prevent you from connecting. After entering your credentials, follow the on-screen prompts. MetaTrader 5 will guide you through any remaining details your broker requires, such as confirming your account type or leverage. Simply read each message carefully, click Next or Finish where appropriate, and wait for the platform to connect. Once the process is complete, you should see your new real account appear in the navigator window, usually on the left side of the screen. When the connection is successful, the status in the bottom right corner will show data flow and you'll be ready to place trades using your real account.